Best practices for Authorize Net webhooks is a crucial topic for businesses that use this payment gateway to process transactions. To get started with webhooks, it is essential to understand what they are and how they work. Webhooks are callbacks made by the Authorize Net server to a URL specified by the merchant after a specific event occurs, such as a payment being made or a subscription being updated. The first step in implementing webhooks is to set up the URL where the webhooks will be sent. This URL must be a secure HTTPS endpoint that can receive and process the webhook notifications. It is also important to ensure that the URL is accessible from the internet and can handle a high volume of requests. Once the URL is set up, the next step is to configure the webhooks in the Authorize Net dashboard. This involves specifying the types of events that will trigger a webhook notification in the URL where the notification will be sent. It is also possible to specify additional settings such as the format of the notification and the retry policy in case the notification fails. When receiving a webhook notification, it is essential to verify the authenticity of the request to prevent unauthorized access. This can be done by checking the signature of the request, which is generated using a secret key provided by Authorize Net. Another best practice is to handle webhook notifications asynchronously to prevent delays in processing transactions. This can be done by using a message queue or a job queue to process the notifications in the background. In terms of error handling, it is essential to implement a retry mechanism in case a webhook notification fails. This can be done by using an exponential backoff strategy to retry the notification after a certain amount of time. Finally, it is essential to monitor and log webhook notifications to detect any issues or errors. This can be done by using a logging framework to log all webhook notifications and any errors that occur. By following these best practices, merchants can ensure that they are using Authorize Net webhooks effectively and securely. This includes setting up a secure URL handling webhook notifications asynchronously, verifying the authenticity of requests, and implementing error handling and logging mechanisms. By doing so, merchants can improve the reliability and efficiency of their payment processing system and provide a better experience for their customers.